What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to make the best chicken taco ever. But to do that, I brought a very special someone to cook with me, my very own Papa Bear.
Papa Bear indeed.
Say hello, guys. I made this chicken taco for him the other day and he gave it a resounding approval.
Oh,
what did you think of the taco, Daddy?
It was great. I never wanted to finish.
And he only had one, so I'm gonna make this up to him by showing him and you guys how to make the best chicken taco ever. Let's get into the recipe.
And I will always make it after.
I yearn to create the best chicken taco recipe for my family, and surprisingly recently I found out that this recipe bears a lot of similarities to the Chicken Tinga, which is basically a shredded chicken dish that they do in Mexico, and they put it in a spicy red adobo sauce. So it's very similar, but mine has a whole bunch of other stuff in there that I think that I should give it a different name by the time I show you how to make my chicken tinga.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Right.
Ready to go?
Let's go.
Other hand, Daddy. Unlike chicken tinga where they use pre-cooked chicken, I'm going to season my raw chicken and then cook it with the spices. I like to use chicken thighs because it's a lot more tender than breast.
I think we get rid of some of this fat.
Anyway. Yeah, cut off some of the fat, Daddy. Yeah, simple strips like that, like you have like in a saute. Daddy, do you have a favorite food?
Here we go. Well, yes, mostly fish and chicken at times. And of course, I can't do without the oxtail. That's one of my favorite.
And cold food.
And cold food.
I was thinking of making you cold food for Father's Day, but you know, I figured since you love the taco so much,
yeah, we'll do
and you've never made it before, I decided to show you how to do it.
Right, we'll do the taco this time.
Yeah. What was it like when we were growing up as kids? Who did most of the cooking, you or Mommy?
Well, oh yeah. You remember, your mother, she don't give me the time to cook. She's always busy in the kitchen. And she's a great cook, very great cook.
Yes, I learned from my mama.
It's no wonder you become a chef.
Yeah. So we have about 4 cloves of garlic. This dish is heavily flavored with garlic, which is amazing. So just dump it in there.
So we just use all of this, huh?
Yeah, all of it. And this is chicken spice or chicken seasoning. Yeah. You could use bouillon or chicken stock, whichever you prefer. This is taco seasoning. So we're going to do 4 teaspoons of taco seasoning. You can make this on your own, but this is the store-bought packet version, which I quite like. A packet of Goya Sazon. I love it. It has annatto in there, so it's going to give it a nice red color. And then we have our chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, so you know, scoop it in there. So we want to give this a nice massage to get all the spices evenly distributed, and then we're going to wrap it up and let it marinate. Marinate for about half an hour to 24 hours in your fridge.
It's a nice color, huh?
It's a really nice color.
Yeah.
So we're going to wrap this up.
Great.
Alright, let's rest it over there. Oh, forgot the beer.
How could we? Oh my God. How could we?
The last ingredient we're going to put in is a 1/4 cup of beer.
The Great Red Stripe.
Yep. Alright, Daddy, so now we're going to make the corn tortilla, which is a staple in Mexican cuisine, right? So this is masa. It's a special corn that has been treated or nixtamalized with a solution that makes it kind of ferment and so easier to digest. And it also changes the smell and the flavor of it. Smell it. Yeah. It has like a nutty flavor. It's not like regular cornmeal.
Right, it's quite appetizing.
I love it. I even use it to make porridge and it's so yummy and it's easier to digest for me. So you need 1 cup of masa with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and hot water. That's it. Very simple. Alright, so mix, mix, mix. Don't be afraid of the dough. So we want to condition the dough very well so that it's nice and supple and soft. It should be like a soft Play-Doh once we're done. Alright, so you can use your hands now, Daddy. Knead it. And keep working it until it forms a smooth dough. Is it hot, Daddy?
Pretty warm. I can bear it.
Yeah, Daddy hand tough. Daddy, he has tough hands. I still have the delicate, dainty hands. So I have to wait till it cools a little bit before I knead it.
Yeah.
Daddy, you make your dumpling stiff or like you like it soft?
For your lunch to school.
Well, how you make dumpling, boiled dumpling?
Medium.
Like stiff or medium stiff?
Medium stiff.
Lots of men in Jamaica like their dumpling really stiff. I don't like that. Like tough. I make mine very blanket and velvety. Like a soft pillow. It's gonna absorb more water as it cools. So we're actually gonna leave this for about 20 to 30 minutes to rest and cool. We're gonna cover it with a damp cloth and just let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes before we make our tortillas. Sounds good? Daddy? Daddy, sounds good?
Great! I just want to wash my hands. Well, our dough has been resting for 30 minutes, so let's get busy and make some dough.
Yes, it looks good. We're gonna make about almost the size of like a golf ball size, or a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller than a golf ball. So it's nice and pliable like a Play-Doh. We're playing Play-Doh. You know that you don't have to use corn flour. You can also use cassava flour, flour to make tortillas.
That's a great taste.
Yeah, that's big now.
Yeah.
So we have Bami, Mexicans have cassava tortillas. You can also use nut flours to make tortillas. Maybe we could try using breadfruit flour. What do you think, Daddy?
Yeah, next time we could do some cassava too.
Yes, for sure. Let's cover it with that cloth so it doesn't dry out. Okay, so you open the tortilla press, and you're gonna have a Ziploc bag that I cut and place it in the center. Flatten it a little bit so it doesn't roll over. All right, and press away.
There.
It's good?
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Whew. Alright, so let's get the pot. So we have a hot cast iron griddle here. Okay, Daddy, I'm going to show you how to do this one, but you have to do the other one by yourself. So you just flip it over like this and gently peel the other side off like that. See? And then just going to drop it like that. And we're going to gently let it cook on each side for about 30 to 40 seconds. On medium heat, not too high. What can happen is if you do it on too high of a heat, it can dry out the tortilla and then it becomes too brittle and dry. Getting some air pockets in there, that's nice. Alright, so we take it out, put it on a plate, and we're going to cover it with a cloth to keep the heat in, and we just keep doing the same thing for all the other tortillas.
All the other tortillas.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to roll your tortillas using a plate if you don't have a tortilla press. So what I do, I just take a little bit of oil and just oil the surface of it. I'm going to take my dough and put it in the center. Flatten it a little bit into a small disc and then close it on itself. And then we take our hand it on the plate and press. So you want to do this gently, because you don't want to wobble the plate too much, or else it's gonna give your tortilla an uneven shape. So press. Now take a look. Now this is not big enough. I usually take my rolling pin and continue to roll, rotating at 90-degree angles. Alright, so I'm just going to take a pot cover to get a perfectly round tortilla. Cut out a perfect circle. And just gently wipe away the excess dough. Alright guys, we're almost at the finish line. Are you excited, Daddy?
Oh, very much.
Yes, it was a trip. We had a ton of fun with the tortillas, did you?
Mm-hmm. Can't wait to eat.
Burst some sweat with those tortillas.
Can't wait to start eating.
Alright, so for the chicken portion, we're gonna do like a stew. First I want to brown my butter. That's the key component for my chicken tinga, is browning the butter. So I have here some unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons. It's a lot of butter, but hey, you don't eat this every day. So we're gonna put it in a hot pan and just let it melt, and we're gonna get it to a nice medium brown. This develops the flavor and makes it taste a lot better.
Sure.
If you love butter, brown butter is even better. Smells good. It's getting nutty and flavor. I can smell it already. Alright, it's brown enough, Daddy, so let's saute your onions, throw it in. All of it, Daddy, all of it. This is one medium onion. One medium onion sliced up. Alright, get the chicken, Daddy.
Delicious. What a lovely smell.
Alright, let's see this thing.
Hope you guys are watching keenly.
So we have a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. We're gonna pour in. Alright.
You have some there, right?
Some there, yep. So we're gonna turn this down and just cover it and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. That's it, because it's Thai and it's gonna cook really quick. We don't need it to cook any longer than that. Let's let it simmer.
Great.
And then we're done. Let's clean up and get our tortillas and toppings ready for the taco.
Great.
Alright. And we're back and we have reached the end line. Glory, hallelujah. Are you ready, Daddy?
Oh my God,
We
I can't wait.
have our chicken tinga or spicy adobo chicken here. We have some shredded cheddar cheese, some lettuce and cabbage, and this is a pineapple salsa that I did earlier. You guys can check out the link below to get the video tutorial for this one. Some sour cream and or corn tortillas made by yours truly. Awesome duo. Which one you want, Daddy? You want everything or?
What's not a question? I want everything. No exemption.
Alright, let's load it up. It's pretty
Okay.
simple. All you do is just take your bread. So you make yours and I'll make mine.
Sure.
A little bit goes a long way, guys, because these tortillas are tiny. They're like little purses. And then I'm going to top with some salsa. Oh, there you go. Let's show the camera our masterpiece, our creation. Happy Father's Day to you, Daddy.
Oh, thanks in advance. Whoop.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Spicy.
Oh, guys, you should be here. Finger looking good.
The chicken is so tender, so succulent, salty, Daddy. And the adobo spice, chipotle. The nuttiness of the butter and the earthiness of the corn tortilla. And then the pineapple's in there. That adds that touch of sweetness. And a tropical essence.
Right.
It's like a flavor bomb in your mouth.
I'm so anxious to finish this for some more.
Cheers. I'm gonna wash it down with some beer.
The good old red stripe beer.
Thanks guys for watching this episode of Sam's Food Chronicles Father's Day edition. This is the best taco you will ever have. What do you think we should call this taco?
You think about it.
You think about it. You guys tell me what I should call this taco.
Mexico taco.
Happy dance.
Pre-Father's Day dance.